when Papa snores. Nana says sometimes Papa snores. And Papa says sometimes Nana snores. The truth is, they both snore, and I don't know which one snores louder. When Papa snores, he says, and beside the bed, everything beside the bed rattles and shakes. When Nana snores, she says, and the blinds on the window clank and clink together. And when Papa snores, he says, the lamp beside his bed rattles and shakes, and the drawers on his dresser open and close. And when Nana snores, the blinds on the window clank together, and the dishes in the drain shake themselves dry. Look, see in the kitchen? Okay. And when Papa snores, he says, and the lampshades beside the bed rattle, the drawers of the dresser open and close, and the mops in the closet do a tango. Look, they're dancing right there. See? Okay. But when Nana snores, the blinds on the windows clink and clank together. The dishes in the drain shake themselves dry, and the limbs on the trees throw all of their leaves to the ground. When Papa snores, the lamps beside his bed rattles. It shakes the drawers of the dresser open and close, and the mops in the closet dance a tango, and the manhole cover out on the street bounce off. See the manhole cover is rolling away. I have to get Daddy to show you a manhole cover. When Nana snores, it's the blinds on the windows clink and clank, and the dishes in the drainer shake themselves dry. The limbs on the trees throw their leaves to the ground, and the shoes on the shoe rack start tumbling down the stairs. See those shoes? They all shook them down the stairs. They snore so much. Wow. And I'm not sure who's louder. My mom says Nana and Papa snore about the same. The people in the next states, every time they snore at the same time, the people in the next state sit up and they yell, "Quiet out there! It's time to get some rest." Waking all the neighbors up. Look at there. We want to get some rest. Mama says nobody can sleep when the two of them snore, and Mama is almost always right about everything. But not this time. Because when Nana and Papa snore, it sounds like music to me. I feel safe. And I feel sound. And I feel sleepy. Good night. Snort. Well, it looks like Mara's snoring too. The end. Good night.